Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. It's been a while and work has been a bit overwhelming and has been occupying a lot of my mind. Although I get quite busy during the week, I try to make my weekends a bit more exciting. Henry has been attacking all my dried flowers, so I thought it would be a good idea to rearrange them. I was wrong. I didn't realize how difficult of a task this was going to be and ended up getting rid of a lot of them and just salvaging the ones that I really liked. Not gonna lie, it kills me inside to have to let go of these since I've been collecting them for a while, but I guess it's time for a change, so I'm ready to embrace it. Even when work gets busy, I try to enjoy the little things like a good cup of coffee. Or maybe even some nice natural light that shines through the window. In the mornings, I try to enjoy some coffee with something yummy just to start the day right.
For today lunch, we have rice with quinoa, chia seeds, and cauliflower, a soy sauce honey glazed salmon, and spring mix with some honey vinaigrette. Yummy!
Within the past 2 weeks, I've already finished 2 shows, Designated Survivor and Ginny in Georgia. So if you guys have any other show recommendations, please let me know. I'm in desperate need. I love finding Henry snoozing on the chair while I work. He looks so peaceful. When Eric and I went to the grocery store, we saw this drink called Olipop. It's supposed to be some sort of healthy probiotic soda. I've tried the cola one and it was alright, but this orange squeeze one was so good that I would actually buy it again.
Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Holy crap. This one tastes way better than the one I had before. I think I had the Coca-Cola one. This one's way better.
I've been trying to be better about working out, and Henry has been assisting me by bringing me a lot of moral support. He likes to take over the mat to have his post-dinner cleaning. We got him a new carrier so that we could take him outside for adventures.
Are you gonna go inside? Okay, astronaut. Astronaut. No. Honey, what's going on? Oh my god. What a cutie. Henry, what's here?
We decided to test the bag out and walk around the neighborhood.
Oh.
We visited a cookie place nearby called Chip City and then wanted to try their funfetti, so I picked up one of those and an original chocolate chip cookie. also stopped by this liquor store. I love looking at wine packaging, and I often just hoard wine bottles as decor. I found this orange wine, and I've been wanting to try orange wine for a while.
Orange? Oh wait, it's orange wine? Wait, babe, we're getting this because I've literally been wanting orange wine for the longest time.
Are you gonna hold it or?
Well, it's like an art piece.
Yeah, just hold it.
It's like an art piece. But orange wine is supposed to be really special.
Just say, who is that?
Snoop Dogg.
Snoop Dogg.
I didn't know he makes red wine.
I love this time of day where it's still bright, but it's also late enough that you can see the moon.
This one's even better because it has lashes on it. Should I get a car with lashes on it? It looks just like me.
We ended our evening adventure with some treats for Henry. We also gave Henry a nice wash when we came home, and although he didn't love it, he was very patient with us. Doesn't he just look like a big wet rat? I had some things I had to take care of back in Connecticut, so I did some shopping with my mom while being there. I've actually never been to an H&M home store, so we visited and did some browsing.
나 이거 하나 살까 봐. 이뻐? 어, 이뻐. 이거 어때? I wanna put on the trip.
We then slowly made our way to EQ3 just to look at furniture and home decor.
어, 이거 뭐야? 아, 털. 귀엽다, 이거. Oh my god, 너무 귀엽다, 이거. I really want to get table mats and like table. I know, I want to get a different color. Oh, I've never seen her like this. 너무 이쁘다, 이거. 이거. 눈물처럼 생기는 거.
I was able to catch the sunset and it was so pretty. I never really get a chance to see all these pretty colors in my apartment. When I came back to New York, I found Henry loving the backpack, which makes me very happy. Eric's mom dropped off some kalbi, so I made sure to get naengmyeon so that Eric and I could eat naengal. It was so good. If you like the Korean drink Milkies, you have to get this ice cream. It was so refreshing and it is the best.
Okay, so like my mom and I tried to like yodel it. Like there's like a
There's like a time, yeah.
근데 진짜 잘 안 된다.
Yeah, it sounds like these are inexperienced.
Can you open mine then? Jealous. Can you just drink it out of here? But look how cute this tube is. The blue one? No. I only know like I don't think I've ever had Jaws. Tank Boy? You just said Tank Boy? I don't think I've ever had Tank Boy.
It's because it's barefoot. So you can
You know what you know like the colorful ones? Like it comes in like green and pink and white.
Yeah.
And it's like the two tubes. So I had that a lot growing up, but this tastes way better than that.
I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!